Hello friends. Today I will tell you how you can download any Bollywood web series or movies for free on the date of their release. First open your browser and search bollyflix.win. On coming on the website, search the movie or series that you want to download here. After clicking on the search option, it is possible that an advertisement may pop up. If that happens, close the ad by clicking on the back button of your phone. Now search. Now click on your searched option. It is possible that an advertisement may pop up. If that happens, click on the back button of your mobile. Now scroll down. Select the quality in which you want to download the series, like 720p or 1080p, and click on download links. After clicking on download links, an advertisement may pop up. If that happens, click on the back button of your phone and click on download links again. Click on I am not a robot. Now wait for some seconds and then click on generate link. After clicking on generate link, wait for some seconds, then click on download links here. Select the episode which you want to download, then click on it. Now scroll down and click on direct download. If an advertisement pops up, click on the back button of your phone. Click on direct download, then choose Chrome. Click on download anyway, and your download will start. After the download is completed, you can find the movie or series in the download folder of your phone. If you liked the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.